The year 2020 started with a series of supermoons, which is not precisely an astronomical term. It was coined by astrologer Richard Knoll. Basically, the supermoon is a full or a new moon that occurs when the moon comes closest to the Earth. Thus, our natural satellite appears slightly larger than usual. The biggest and brightest one was the pink moon that took place on April 7. The next astronomical event provided a spectacular view for observers from parts of Africa, south of Pakistan, northern India, and China. The Ring of Fire annual solar eclipse on June 21. Even though this is an annual phenomenon, this year's eclipse was special, since over 99% of the sun's disk was covered. It created a dramatic celestial spectacle. A couple of weeks after the eclipse, on July 4, one more unique event occurred. The Planet Parade. Although it's not an official scientific term, it was a unique event for observers from the Earth. All of the solar system planets lined up on one side of the sun at the same time. The last similar planet parade occurred on 1982, and the next one is expected in 2161. Bright red Mars reached an opposition on October 13 and became a wonderful treat for sky watchers worldwide. The planet was at its brightest and largest, very easy to observe with the naked eye. This year Mars was at a very close distance from the Earth, at about 62 million kilometers. The next time we'll see the red planet at the same apparition will be in 2035. Speaking about the brightest astronomical event, the Geminid meteor shower 2020 created an extraordinary view in the sky. The new moon phase coincided with the Geminid's peak this year, creating perfect observational conditions. Many people reported luminous long-tailed meteors in the sky. The last epic happening of 2020 took place on December 21, the great conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn. Two planets shined as one Christmas star. This event is most likely one of the rarest of the year. It became the closest approach of the two gas giants since 1623 and the first observable one since 1226. Bye. Hello people and welcome back to Space Agents. Tomorrow is the big party. After 800 years of waiting, it finally has come. It's the greatest conjunction, Jupiter and Saturn. It's like 800 years from 1623, July 1623. It was just 14 years after the first telescope was invented. The gas giant was very close to the sun at that time. but it was hardly observed because it was very close, so there'll be so much sunshine. And the last similar observable conjunction occurred was on March 4, 1226. Just go outside now and see the Jupiter and Saturn. Let's see Jupiter and Saturn. Hello people and welcome back to Space Agent. Today I'm going to show you eyes on exoplanets. I'm going to show you the TRAPPIST-1 system and its star, TRAPPIST-1. Exoplanets.nasa.gov. I'll share it in the description link below. Okay, it's opening. There will come a pop-up if you join it for the first time. Okay, here are the stars. It's very hard to. Okay, like this. It's supposedly like this. Yeah, all the stars that we discovered that are in the Milky Way, but I'm not interested in most of them. I'm interested in TRAPPIST-1 and its system. I clicked TRAPPIST-1E. Now I'm using my phone, okay? Here's the solar system, the system of TRAPPIST-1. The system has 3 planets, three exoplanets that are in the habitable zone, the green part. It's TRAPPIST-1D, TRAPPIST-1D, TRAPPIST-1E, TRAPPIST-1F. I don't know how to do this. TRAPPIST-1H, so TRAPPIST-1G. I don't know how to say this, but here it is. Going to zoom in as close as I could. Okay, TRAPPIST-1F, 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 TRAPPIST-1 and TRAPPIST-1G. Here's the sun. F and TRAPPIST-1G, and I think TRAPPIST-1G, TRAPPIST-1E, and TRAPPIST-1F, and TRAPPIST-1G. Yes, TRAPPIST-1E, 1 and 1F, and 1G. Okay. The star, I'll show the star. TRAPPIST-1, type star. That's TRAPPIST-1C. This is TRAPPIST-1. Here, an M-type star which is not visible from Earth. Okay, now let's see the planets. TRAPPIST-1b first. Here it is. It looks like an Earth-like planet. It looks to me like a planet with water. TRAPPIST-1c. It's larger than Earth. TRAPPIST-1d. Wow, it's very Earth-like. It's fully covered with ocean and clouds. Okay, TRAPPIST-1e. TRAPPIST-1e. Okay, it's very Earth-like. TRAPPIST-1f. TRAPPIST-1f. And TRAPPIST-1G. And TRAPPIST-1H. Wow. Okay, let's see this compare function. Compare to Earth. Wow, on your phone you can do this feature. Wow, it's amazing. Just how you can do it. Each one of them could show you the. Then click on compare. I think on the desktop on computer. I don't think you can do that, but I think you can do it on phone, just like I'm doing right now. Compared to Jupiter, that's big. That's big. Jupiter is so big. Okay, let's compare the star to Jupiter. Yeah, to Jupiter. Star, TRAPPIST-1. Compare to the sun. Okay, I can't compare it to the others, so I chose this one. Wow, that's how much is the sun. The sun is potentially very large. Okay. Bye. See you next time. See you soon. Bye.